Hi guys, I'm Saeed, and with another video on Troublemakers TV. I'm with you. In this video, I'm going to show you red light district, whole area. I mean, yeah, it was much bigger. I hear it was much bigger. I didn't see it to be bigger, but in general, I'm going to show you this area. But I won't go through the like the streets that women are busy with their business. I'm just going to show you like from outside the streets. I have a lot of videos on yeah, with all details about the red light the street in Amsterdam, but if you want you can check them out. I'm going to start from this bridge. It's Old Church Bridge. Its name is Old Church Bridge. So I'm going to start from this bridge. First, a view of this bridge. You can see this is Old Church itself, and this is this area. This view. This is a north direction view, I would tell you. Yes. The name of this street is Oudezijds Voorburgwal. I will leave the name also on video. You can just check it out if you are really curious about the name. Yeah. This is like the first street of this area, first street of red light street that yeah, you can watch a lot inside. And this is the name of this street. You can see the name. I don't know if you can see it. It is Oudekennissteeg. It's the name of this street. I will turn off my camera. I will pass this this alley, and then I will turn it on again and show the rest of the area of the red light. See you! Yes, I just passed the street, Oudekennissteeg. This is the street I passed. I showed it from the other side, but this is the like side at the middle. You can yeah, just see from here. Yeah. Yeah, here. Yeah, I just turned off my camera inside the street because yeah, I got a lot of problem with YouTube. I don't want it more. That's why I thought it's better not to film. This is the second street that yeah, I want to show you. Molensteeg. This is the name. Molensteeg. Yeah, the other side of this street will be Zeedijk. So I won't walk here, but I will walk here. And this is street. It's yeah, Saturday, a busy Saturday, and yeah, I can see a lot of people are here just to watch. Yeah, you can see the red light district, sorry, and the name of this street, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's Oudezijds Achterburgwal. Oudezijds Achterburgwal. I will also leave the name of this street on this video, so if you want you can check it out. And this one is yeah, Prostitution Museum, red light secrets. You can I have a video from inside. You can check it if you are curious. So yes, let's continue our walking tour on this street. I will show you 2 or 3 more streets that yeah, you can see women. I won't use another word because I think I don't want problem from YouTube, so yeah. this is another street. Its name is Monnikenstraat, or yeah, Monnikenstraat. Yeah. So yeah, let's continue from this way. I'm going to south direction. Yeah, this is another street of red light. Its name is Bloedstraat, or yeah, Blood Street. I want to just and yeah, it's here. This is a street that yeah, a lot of women are behind the window.
There's a cash point out front.
Yeah, you can see the atmosphere here. Yeah, I won't explain, just feel it. This is another street. Yeah, this is another street. Barndesteeg. Yeah, it's also. You can see name here maybe better. Yeah, this is another alley called Stofsteeg. You can see the name from here, I think. Yeah, most of the time red light will be busy in the afternoon and evening, but yeah, it's always busy. It's just a nice place to walk, and you don't need to do yeah, some specific things. Just enjoy the vibes from people.
Yeah. Bye. For the drill. Nee, maar als je geen zin hebt.
Yes, here is the end of red light district, and yeah, I finished this video here, and see you in the next video.
Ja.
ya estoy a mitad del día.
Una cosa que se perdió.
Yeah, just wanted to show you this view, and see you in next video. Love you.